Good morning. It's Saturday morning. This is John. Thought I'd make a video of just some different tools that I carry in my side box. And some of these I think everybody should carry. Might help somebody who's just starting out, or give other drivers maybe some ideas. Got my toolbox right here that has just about everything you can think in there, from wrenches to sockets, ratchets, that kind of thing. Rope, saws, clamps, screws, screwdrivers. There's a jumper cable for an alternator. Glass cleaner, Flex Seal, extra thing of my refrigerant for my AC, my coolant. And I've got my multimeter that I got when I was having problems with the alternator and batteries. That's for my Freon right there, my little gauges where you can do it yourself and install your Freon. Long extension cord. Then this right here is a blower. I've got the tire chuck inside the truck and on its own hose, so if I have a flat out there on the road, I can hook this end right here to my pigtail, my red emergency air line, and air up a tire. I use this one to blow out my truck. There's extra hoses, extra coolant, my triangles, of course, an extra bar, siphon, my pliers, my crowbar. It's always good to have a little piece of plywood in there to use. You know, you never know what you need to use to adjust your tandems. Of course, my chock's right there. That works a lot better, but you can put that on the other side. My oil, ice melt from the winter, drill. These are my straps to strap in the freight. Let's see, jumper cables. These right here come in real handy, so you should always have a pack of these. I had to use my red one just the other day. So this is for the primary, just in case. They come in packs. That's for my chains, my chain tool. That's what you call a fifth wheel lock. So if you drop your trailer somewhere, and of course you know, permission with your company, or if it's yours, you can, you know, have permission from wherever you need to drop it. But anyway, that's got a key that I've got inside, and then you just slide that over the kingpin and lock it, and people can't get to it. That's a collapsible shovel, and it comes in handy in the wintertime. I'm not going to take it apart because I'm holding the phone with one hand. Extra flashlight. That's another tool. Right. Chains. But there you go. All of that, with the exception of the oil, will fit into your side box. It'll be tight, but you can do it. I do it all the time. Just have to condense it down. I'm trying to think if there's probably something out here that won't go in there. My drill won't go in there. I keep that inside. And this is just stuff that I keep on the outside, you know, for the tools. That's not counting my spare gear that I keep inside of the truck. I keep a lot of spare stuff in there, from charger cables to, I don't know, you name it, clothing, whatever. Anything that I might need out there in case I get broke down, or just to make my life comfortable. That's what it's about. So, hope this helps somebody, you know. If not, maybe it'll give you some ideas. Alright guys, have a great day. We're out.